What's going on? I wanted to share a quick video on how to remove a logo from a form. So what we'll do is we will go to where forms are located, and forms are located in the site section. Take that off. Located in the site section. So if you go up to the top menu over here in forms, you go to builder. And when you start your form, if you haven't already done so, what's going to happen is you'll click your form, you'll start creating it, and this one didn't do what I wanted it to do, but normally it'll have a logo down here. And a lot of people are asking, how do you get rid of this logo? Well, if you saw what I did to get the logo up there, if you go down to the logo, if you click on it, make sure you're in that area, then go over to the far right where it says styles and options. Click on styles and options. Hover down to where it says agency branding. Agency branding is what that logo is. And now you can take it off at your leisure. So hopefully this helps. Feel free to reach out if you have any other questions.